Welcome. This video is about the exciting world of creative entrepreneurs. Your creativity has the power to turn into real income, and the entire world becomes your platform. The creator economy is a global community of millions of individuals who turn their passions and talents into income using platforms that connect creators with their audience. You no longer need a 9-to-5 job to make a living. If you have a talent, skill, or story to share, you can create your own path. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Patreon, and Substack, to name a few, are the stage on which creators perform. They're not just websites, they're launchpads for careers, enabling creators to share their content with the world, build a community, and monetize their passion. The content creator industry has experienced incredible growth in recent years, and it's estimated that around 50 million people worldwide are now part of the content creator economy. This booming industry is valued at a staggering $100 billion. It's no surprise that many young people now see becoming a professional influencer as a viable career option. According to a recent survey, America's youngest generation of workers is particularly driven to turn their social media posts and online content creation into sustainable income. While some may argue that young people are simply opting for an easy career path, those who are influencers understand the true dedication it requires. Being an influencer involves round-the-clock work, consistently producing content on a daily, and sometimes hourly, basis in order to engage and retain their audience and generate revenue. It's not just about making money, but also about freedom. Freedom to work on your own terms, to do what you love. Now, let's uncover 3 basic secrets to always keep in mind to become a successful creative entrepreneur. Number 1, stay up to date and be relevant. Continuously immerse yourself in emerging trends, technologies, and ideas within your creative field. Stay in sync with what's popular. Number 2, be yourself. Do not try to imitate others. Authenticity is the key to unlocking your true potential. Infuse your unique personality, experiences, and perspective into everything you create and share. And finally, the 3rd step is to have fun. When you genuinely enjoy what you do, it will shine through in your output, captivating your audience at every step of the way. By tapping into your creativity, staying true to yourself, and staying connected with the ever-evolving world, you can turn your passion into a rewarding and sustainable livelihood. So why wait? Take the leap and start your journey as a creative entrepreneur today. Thank you for watching.